Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 24 to March 2, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see. Scorpio, anong ganap sa inyo? Community. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will be involved in community service o kaya you will be part of a group of people, no? So, maari ring yung iba sa inyo, you are into social media or parang social media influencer, content creator wherein you are leading a community or sikat ka, no? You have a certain level of fame. You also have healing. So some of you will also heal from a physical illness, no? Kung nagkasakit kayo nitong mga nakaraan, so magtutuloy-tuloy ang inyong paggaling. And some of you naman, this can be emotional healing. I feel like the more na meron kayong support system, no, yung let's say yung community mo, yung mga taong nakakaintindi sa iyo, mas madali para sa iyo na mag-heal from your past. You also have travel, so travel opportunities are also possible ngayong week na to. Yung iba maaring you will travel in groups or by group, no? Yung tipong, di ba may mga ganun sa mga travel agencies na meron kayong pupuntahan na isang lugar tapos marami kayo na magkakasama. Oo, yung mga group travels. Kasi yung iba, mas nakakatipid doon sa ganong sistema. So yung iba, you will find new friends, new connections sa pag-travel nyo na yan. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Two of Wands. So, maaring merong decision that you have to make with your person, romantic person, or someone who is close to you. Maaring ito ay plans to travel abroad or to work abroad na matagal nyo nang pinagdidesisyonan. Pwedeng gusto nyo mag-migrate or gusto nyo na doon magtrabaho together. And yung mga plano ninyo ay nasisimulan na ninyo. Hindi na siya plano na lang, hindi na siya iniisip na lang. Your challenge is the Eight of Cups. So, maaring iba sa inyo, challenging situation yung pag-alis sa isang sitwasyon na you feel like kailangan mo nang iwanan because it's no longer serving your highest good. So, this can be any situation. Let's say, trabaho, career, relationship, connection with someone na sa tingin mo is you really have to let go of or maaring sense of independence. So, I'm sensing na yung iba sa inyo aalis sa isang situation or sa poder ng let's say parents mo para mas maging independent ka. Let's see your opportunity. You have the Six of Cups. You have the opportunity to focus on love, to focus on the people na mahal mo, no? The Six of Cups is also about nostalgia. So, maaring meron kang aalalahanin from your past or you will reconnect with someone from the past. Hindi naman kailangang relationship na romantic to. Pwedeng dati mong teacher or dati mong katrabaho, dati mong boss, dati mong client, dati mong kaklase. So, you have the opportunity to get in touch with people na naging kaklose mo in the past. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo biglaan nakita nyo sa mall o kaya sa restaurant. Yan, you will bump into someone from your past. And then, your blessing is the Knight of Pentacles. As a blessing, this is stability in your finances. Kung plano mo na magnegosyo, it's a good start para sa inyo Pero nagre-require to ng patience. So, kung meron kang patience sa business mo na nagsisimula pa lang or hindi pa masyadong natatagalan, no? Ipagpatuloy mo lang kasi eventually madedevelop mo yung stability ng iyong career or ng trabaho or ng business or ng finances mo. Okay, so let's see what else. Some of you may harvest or parang meron na kayong makukuhang resulta ng trinabaho ninyo. You have the clouds. Clouds is maaring may mga gumugulo sa isip nyo ngayon. I think it has something to do with your decision making doon sa iiwanan yung sitwasyon. Kasi hindi naman ganun kadali na iiwanan mo ang isang sitwasyon na hindi ka sigurado sa pupuntahan mo eh. So, kung meron kang, if you're going to leave a situation, meron ka dapat plano kung saan mo dadalhin yung sarili mo. So, if you are not sure, kung hindi ka pa sigurado, kailangan alamin mo muna kung saan mo ba gustong pumunta. Oo, para may direction ka, may plano ka. You also have house. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng lilipat ng bahay or merong ipapaayos sa inyong bahay. Also have the star. This is about your hopes, your dreams, and also success. Alam nyo, yung magdadala sa inyo sa success is kung gaano kataas yung pangarap mo para sa sarili mo, para sa family mo. Kasi, di ba yung iba, naghihintay sila na, gusto mo maging successful. Pero, tanungin mo sila kung anong gusto nila. Hindi nila alam. So, paano ka magiging successful kung hindi mo alam kung saan mo gusto maging successful at kung paano mo gagawin. Di ba? So, you really need to know what you want first. So, preparation, meron kang piniprepare. Siguro, naghahanda ka for a business or an exam or isang trabaho na papasukin mo. So, kaya kailangan, whatever this is, kailangan handa ka. Kailangan, kumbaga sa may dala kang bala. Oo, sa labanan. And then, relationship, you have honesty. So, maaring meron kang makakausap na malapit sa'yo. Can be a romantic person, romantic relationship, or friend, or family member na magkakaroon kayo ng heart-to-heart talk. Nagiging open kayo about a lot of things. At malaking tulong yan sa pagpapatibay ng relationship ninyo. Kasi nagkaka-build kayo ng trust, ng tiwala sa isa't isa. Love approaches unexpectedly. Nako, for some of you, Scorpio, merong unexpected love relationship. For some of you, maaring meron ka makikilala, hindi mo inaakala na magugustuhan mo. Diba? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.